Hello everyone, welcome to JP classes. I hope you all are fine. Friends, in my previous video, I had discussed about what is distance learning, objectives and nature of distance learning, use of ICT in open and distance learning, difference between face-to-face and open distance learning, and importance of using technology in distance education. Today we are going to discuss about advantages of using technology in distance education. What are the advantages? First, cost effectiveness. Next, independence in time and place. Cost effectiveness means we effort or all our effort in low cost and it is easily accessible to all. Independence of time and place. The students or learner learn anytime, anywhere. The mass production of course material. The number of course material in our fingertips. We choose our course, what we want. Then it provides quality of education. And quality of education that assess all the children or all the learners assess quality of education. Teaching a lot of students simultaneously. It means the instructor or teacher teach lot of students at a time. Finding a lot of educational resources. We find lot of educational resources if we use technology. Large number of resources, that is audiovisual aids, radio, television, broadcast, video cassettes, video compact computer and other innovative techniques are we used to find a lot of educational resources. Then web-based course used to update technical staff in the workplace. The technical staff, those who are already in workplace, they are also updated because they use technology in distance education or they use technology. Then distance learning course to upgrade classroom teacher without their having to leave their classrooms. It is also helpful for the teacher who are in the classroom but without having to leave their classroom, they know many things and they update themselves, and it is quite helpful for the teacher and the learner. The helpful for the continued development. It helps to develop our knowledge continuously and modernize to the both learner and instructor. Then affordability. Affordability means anyone can get benefited by using the technology. Then challenges. Direct real-time feedback from the students or teacher is not possible. In the distance learning, there is no direct contact between the students and the teacher, so there is no direct feedback. There is a shortage and high cost of equipment. The equipment that are used in the distance learning is shortage and it is cost high. Application software security. In distance learning, there is no security of software. Need much manpower and money for security purpose, which is not quite possible for everyone. Lack of inter-regional networking and cooperation amongst national university and international institutions. There is no networking and cooperation between national universities and international institutions. Lack of experience and training with instructional technology. The instructional technology or the teaching materials that are used in the distance learning are the person who are train the distance learner, they are lack of experience, their experience is low and they not get proper training. Difficulties in learning technically demanding materials. Lack of support from employers. Introducing dynamic policy, updating and enforcement approach in open distance learning system. There is a dynamic policy and the policy is subject to change in the technological field. So dynamic policy in updating and enforcement approach in in open distance learning system. It is one of the challenges. Changes in technology in time to time due to the modernization and due to the modernize of the society, the technology we use that are changed in time to time. Then looking ahead at the future, open and distance learning will gradually move into a realm of online learning in the future. In the future, online learning or open and distance learning is going to be demand. Connectivity to the internet and flexibility in the program would be the greatest enabler of online learning. Here, the internet play important role in the online learning or distance learning. Professor Basu said, there are many students from Open University who do well as other students. Open University students are also good in comparison to the other students, those who are in the learn in the face-to-face contact or in the traditional classroom. It is the mindset of people toward open education that really matters. More university offering distance education will come up in the future. And here said that nowadays more importance given to the online learning or open university. It is true that ICT is playing a vital role in open distance learning, but at the same time, there are many issues and challenges that are to be addressed for smooth functioning of various online services that are to be implemented for its learner. Here said that in every field there are many issues and challenges. In open and distance learning, there is also a challenges and many issues, but for the smooth functioning, the online service are to be implemented for its learner. The institution that is providing education in open and distance learning mode should look at all the addresses issue and challenges, that take necessary precaution with a proper action plan along with time frame. Here we not give importance to the issues and challenges we should sort out. Then conclusion. Education is the elementary right of human being for the development of a person both professionally and personally. Education is the right for all, and it is the fundamental right. Emergency of technology, especially in the field of open and distance education, have opened a new horizon for distance learner. Open and distance learning and open and distance education provide a new horizon if we provide technology, if we use technology in open and distance education. Application of technology in education is not the ultimate goal. Instead, we have used it to pursue quality. If we want to develop the quality of education, that we use technology in the field of education, that is also used in the distance learning. That's all for today. If you like my video, then comment, share and subscribe. In next video, I will upload new topic related to education. Okay everybody, stay tuned.